Hello guys and welcome to the start of this section, which is going to be on content. So we're back in Cheryl's profile here, and as you can see, if you just type in linkedin.com or linkedin.com/feed, you'll see the LinkedIn newsfeed. So here I can see all of Cheryl's connections and most recent content, and you can sort by top. You can sort also by um, how recent the content is, was posted, or how much engagement these posts are getting. So posting content on LinkedIn is a really good way of marketing. Um, for example, because Cheryl has over 1,600 connections, and that means we've quite a large audience there to promote our content to, but not just promote our content out there, but also to promote it for free as well. This is free marketing. Once you build up your connections, your connections will be able to see all your posts. So we have up to 1,600 people that we can post content to, that we can get to engage with whatever we put up on LinkedIn. So it's a really good way to market yourself, or your business, or whatever you want to achieve. So in order to post some content, you're gonna have to find firstly what type of content you want to post. So on LinkedIn, you're able to post images, videos, or just plain text here. Within this text box here, you're able to include links as well to certain content. And also in the post settings, you're able to decide if you want the public to see it. If you want to hook up your Twitter to LinkedIn, you can post to Twitter as well, or just your connections on LinkedIn. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you basically how to find content, not just any old content, but content that is already being shared on LinkedIn, and that's most likely to do well for you when you post it up there. So I'm going to take you to a website, and it's going to be called buzzsumo.com. So basically what BuzzSumo is a website that shows the most popular content being shared on social media. So as you can see, it shows different statistics based on Facebook engagement, LinkedIn, Twitter shares, Pinterest, etc. So say for example, you are working in the hospitality industry and you want to post content out there to your following on LinkedIn. All you have to do is go to buzzsumo.com and type in hospitality and click go. Now you'll be greeted with this page here. So this here shows a list of articles, and beside the list of articles you'll see how many engagements there's been on Facebook, how many shares of this article there's been on LinkedIn, how many shares of this article there's been on Twitter, Pinterest, number of links, and the total shares here. I'm not too sure what evergreen score is. It says a high evergreen score indicates that the article is still being shared well after it was published. Okay, so that's another cool thing you kind of see as well. It's something else to look at. But in our case, we're going to be judging mostly off LinkedIn shares, because that's what we're going to be. LinkedIn is the platform where we'll be posting the content to. So I'm going to just scroll down and see if I can find one that would interest someone who works in hospitality. Okay, this one here. So 10 plus times hotel surprise everyone with their creativity. It's got 6.3 thousand shares on LinkedIn. So it's already a piece of content that we know has been shared often on LinkedIn. So it could be a good one. So as you can see here, 10 plus times hotels surprise everyone with their creativity. So this hotel has a pet policy, etc. So it's quite engaging as well. You're able to add comments to each photograph. These are the type of articles that do well on LinkedIn. and ones that people can find out little pieces of information they never knew before about hotels. And if you're within the hotel industry, you're going to find this article quite interesting as well, and it's more likely to be shared. And the more often your articles or your content um, are shared on LinkedIn, that means the more times your face is going to appear here, and the more times recruiters or potential customers are going to click on you, find out more information about you, and your following is going to grow. You're more likely to get that job, or you're more likely to get more people to your website, leads, etc. So this is the website that I recommend, BuzzSumo.com. I'll leave the link attached to this video, but you can do some really good research here. Like, for example, you can see what's popular within the last week, or the last 2 years, 5 years. Now, just as you can see here, there's different plans which you need to sign up to for these features. But I would recommend paying for this platform if you really do want to promote content on LinkedIn. This is probably the best platform out there for that. But as you can see here, they offer free trials, etc. as well. So if you don't have the money at the moment, you're still able to use it. It's still a really good platform. So I definitely recommend BuzzSumo for finding your content. Thanks very much. I'll see you in the next lecture.